Holy crap. Guys, be careful, man. The alligator's right there. Literally right there. I don't know if you can see it. I was literally walking right by the alligator. So I've been out playing Pokemon Go almost all day long, and my battery's down to like 15%, but that's one of the reasons why, let's get this out. It's one of the reasons why I love my drone so much. My drone controller charges my phone. Can you believe that? So in order for me to keep going playing Pokemon Go, I just got to hook my controller up, and I got plenty of battery, so what?
What are you doing?
I'm chasing boats with my drone. Check it out. It's fun. They're faster than I am. But I don't have it in sports mode. Here, I'll switch to sports mode. See if I can catch him. I'm in sports, full-on sports mode. I'm gaining on him. Now I'm gaining on him. Maybe not. I don't know how fast he's going. He's got to be going more than 40 miles an hour. Holy crap. All right. All right, so I put the drone up. I got some footage of the alligator, took a couple of pictures. So I'm gonna finish this vlog off with some drone footage of an alligator here, even though it's not that big of one, but it was still like 3 or 4 foot, man. Come on, respect. That's the type of stuff you run into here in Florida. Even though we're like in a city area, kind of, we are next to a river. This is a little retention pond. You still run into alligators here. All right, well, I'm Scott, and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.